Hi, my name is Mickey Rankin. I am with the Lafayette team at eXp Realty, and I want to welcome you to my brand new listing at 254 Town Pond Road, located in the beautiful community of Summerland in Batesburg, South Carolina. This home features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and lots of upgrades including quartz, marble, and tile throughout. Come on inside and take a look around. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Once again, Mickey Rankin with the Lafayette team at eXp Realty. Give us a call to schedule an appointment.